Okay, hi students. So the electrophilic substitution reactions in the phenols, okay na? The chemical reactions, if you see electrophilic substitution reactions in the phenols. So in the phenol, the OH group is orthopara directing. OH group is orthopara directing because the lone pair present on the oxygen can donate electrons, so it releases electrons. Exclusively releases electrons at ortho and para positions. OH group exclusively releases electrons at ortho and para positions. So that's why the electron density ortho para increases. So electrophile should be goes to at ortho para direction. So the products also form mostly ortho para substituted products. Okay now. So OH is ortho para directing ring activating the group OH, right? So in the phenols, electrophilic substitutions takes place at ortho and para positions. Okay, then in that first one example, nitration. The phenol when reacted to dilute nitric acid, dilute HNO3, dilute nitric acid. So majorly forms orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. The orthonitrophenol is a major because the formation of hydrogen bonding with adjacent nitrogen and oxygen of hydrogen. Okay na? So due to intramolecular hydrogen bond, it is the major. Orthonitrophenol is major than paranitrophenol, right? So here both characteristics, if you see it, orthonitrophenol have intramolecular hydrogen bond. Within the molecule it shows hydrogen bond, whereas paranitrophenol can forms intermolecular because the groups are not close, far away, so intra is not possible. So the same type of molecule and this can be forms intermolecular hydrogen bond, inter. So this is more volatile because it have low boiling point, but it is have less volatile because high boiling point. Okay na? And these two can be separated by the steam distillation method. They can be separated. These two can be separated by using steam distillation method, right? So these are about when react with the dilute HNO3, these two can be formed, right? But same phenol when react with concentrated nitric acid, concentrated HNO3, it can be substituted because nitronium and NO2 plus can be more generate and it can be multi-attacking at both orthos and para position. It can be attacked. That is called 2, 4, 6. Okay now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. The widely used common name is picric acid. The common name is picric acid, trinitrophenol. So with concentrated HNO3 nitration, which gives 2,4 nitrophenol. But with the case of dilute HNO3, ortho para nitrophenols will be products. But in this case, the yield of product is very less. Okay na? So and also next to sulfonation. And also here this trinitrophenol is very more acidic among the all phenols because these are very strong electron withdrawing groups. 3 nitro groups are withdrawing groups. So acidic strength is more in the phenols, right? Now sulfonation. So sulfonation is done by sulfuric acid or oleum H2S2O7. Okay, now we will get this product. Okay, na? So 1, 2 here hydroxy benzene disulfonic acid. Okay, na? So this formation of this hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid when react with concentrated HNO3, then again it forms picric acid. This product also formed by this way, but here is the yield of this picric acid is more compared to this process. Okay na? So first sulfonation followed by nitration, it gives again picric acid, trinitrophenol. Okay na? This is one of the method for the preparation, right? So here the halogenation, next to electrophilic substitution reaction is halogenation. when phenol react with bromine in the presence of water, that is the polar solvents. Bromine in the presence of polar solvents, so multi-bromination attacking and ortho para for completely packed. Okay now. So here this is 2, 4, 6 tribromophenol. It is a white crystalline solid is formed when bromine react with polar solvents like water. Okay now. So 2, 4, 6 multi attacking bromonium and Br plus will be multi-time attacking, right? So that is the case of in the presence of polar solvents bromination. And the same bromine when react with carbon disulfide or chloroform, so non-polar solvents. In the place of non-polar solvents, the bromination occur to ortho and para positions only. Okay na? So this is para-bromophenol and ortho-bromophenol. So in this case, so the para is a major product. The para is a major product. Ortho-bromo is the minor product. Okay. So polar solvents for product formation different with the non-polar solvents, right? Now the next very important reaction. These are very important reactions. Next to coal-based reaction. So now coal-based reaction, when phenol react with sodium hydroxide, okay na, it gives sodium phenoxide. This is the sodium phenoxide. The sodium phenoxide again treated with carbon dioxide. Here carbon dioxide is the electrophile, neutral electrophile. In the coal-based reaction, the electrophile is carbon dioxide. Electrophile is carbon dioxide. In bromination, Br plus. In nitration, NO2 plus. Okay, now in sulfonation, SO3. Okay, same like here. In the case of coal-based reaction, electrophile is carbon dioxide. There is no charge. So neutral electrophile. So this carbon dioxide and followed by acidification. Okay, now addition of H plus will get orthohydroxybenzoic acid. This is also called salicylic acid. Orthosalicylic acid. This is also called orthohydroxybenzoic acid. Para product also formed, that is minor, but here is major because of formation of again intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So here the case is, it is important. So they directly gives like this NaOH, okay na, then carbon dioxide and H plus. Then what is the product? Directly you can take okay, orthohydroxybenzoic acid. Okay na, alternate directly in the exam point of view they will give, or they will give like this. Okay na, so both are same, right? So this is a coal-based reaction. Coal-based. So next one more important reaction, that is Riemer-Tiemann reaction. Very important. Very important. Riemer-Tiemann reaction. So in this reaction, phenol when react with chloroform, CHCl3, chloroform in the presence of aqueous base alkali, and followed by acidic hydrolysis gives orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. So commonly it is orthosalicylaldehyde. Its name is salicylaldehyde. Okay na. So the mechanism, if you see first chloroform, okay na, in the chloroform the acidic hydrogen is attacked by the base and forms so the trichlorocarbene, the trichloromethane intermediate with the carbene intermediate is formed. Then here chlorine is eliminated. Then this is the dichlorocarbene. The intermediate is dichlorocarbene. This is the intermediate in the Riemer-Tiemann reaction. The intermediate is dichlorocarbene. This is electrophile. This is the electrophile. Okay na. In the Riemer-Tiemann reaction, the electrophile is neutral electrophile dichlorocarbene. Okay na, 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay na, 2 bond pairs, 1 lone pair, total 6 electrons. So it is electron deficient electrophile. Okay na. Now on the phenol this electrophile will be attacked. Okay na. So here the phenol when react with sodium hydroxide forms sodium phenoxide. Now the O minus negative charge shift here, this pi bond migrate here, the bond form. Now this hydrogen is eliminated and its bonds donate and forms a pi bond. Okay, now pi bond migrates to back. Now this H plus migrated to here. So CHCl ONA. Now again what happened if you use NaOH here, SN2 reactions and substitution reactions takes place. SN reactions, nucleophilic substitution reactions. Here two chlorines are substituted by two OH groups. Substitution reactions. See, in organic chemistry, if on single carbon, if two OH groups are present, that is unstable. Two or more OH groups unstable. Immediately water eliminate from here, H2O water eliminate. So minus water and forms to become aldehyde function. CHO function is formed, C double bond OH. Now upon hydrolysis, H plus hydrolysis, acidic hydrolysis, ONA become OH. So this is parahydroxy benzaldehyde. Parahydroxy benzaldehyde. The intermediate is dichlorocarbon intermediate. Okay, now these pieces also important. Okay, now these pieces also important. Sometimes so in the previous exams questions, which of the following is not appear in the Riemann-Tiemann reaction, they will ask like that. So how to remember this piece and this piece and these. Okay, now these are also appear. Okay, so mainly this and these two are important, right? So this is the Riemann-Tiemann reaction. In the same Riemann-Tiemann reaction, in the place of chloroform, if you use CCl4 with base, same base, if you use in the place of CHCl3, if you use tetrachlorocarbon, then the product is salicylic acid, that means orthohydroxybenzoic acid. Here the product is orthohydroxybenzaldehyde, aldehyde function, but here is a benzoic acid is function. Same product is obtained in the coal-base reaction, but there we have taken CO2, but here CCl4 in the presence of NaOH. This is also Riemann-Tiemann reaction, but not coal-base. Coal-base also product here. Okay, now this product is also obtained in the coal-base reaction and also in the Riemann-Tiemann reaction, but the main Riemann-Tiemann reaction is this. But in the place of chloroform, if you use CCl4, the product is orthohydroxybenzoic acid or salicylic acid. Okay, now in this case para products also form, but ortho is a major.